Welcome, my friend John Take Action Thomas, coming to you live from my home office here in Dalbany, Georgia. So if you lack skills, just continue to take action. And today I want to do this short video, a powerful training on changing your mindset, changing your life. And as my mentor says, shift your mindset, shift your income. So if you're not earning what you want to earn in your business, you definitely want to pay close attention to today's training. And here's the key. You must turn your obstacles or turn your stumbling blocks into opportunity. And here's the thing. Most people are faced with stumbling blocks daily. So imagine if you could turn all of those into opportunity. Wouldn't the results in your life, in your business, begin to change? And I'm going to share with you 3 ways that you can definitely change your mindset or shift your mindset. And the first is focus on where you're headed to, not what you're going through. And I'm going to say that again. Focus on where you're headed to, not what you're going through. So you have to be laser beam focused, not focus on what's going on to the left, to the right, not answering every post, not trying to participate in every conversation. You have to be focused, saying, okay, here's where I'm headed. Here's what I'm here for. Here's what I must do to get there. And then just take action. And the second thing is you have to eliminate all negative talk. All negative talk and all negative people, you have to eliminate them. Whether it's family, friends, co-workers, whoever, you don't have time. You have to close your mind to the negative talk, to negative people. Because if not, they're going to feed it into your mind, and self-doubt and doubt's going to creep in, and 1% doubt, you're out. You're going to start second-guessing yourself, and you're on your way to the network marketing cemetery. And the last thing is, you have to find you 2 people who are willing to back you on your plan. So once you lay your plan out, you know you get clearly, you get a definite purpose, backed by a passion. You know exactly what it is that you want to do, or you know exactly what it is that you're going to do. Then you have to find 2 people who say, okay, man, I know you can do it. I believe you. And you confide in those, you share your struggle, your challenges, you share what you're reading, you share your growth, you share everything, and you even learn from these. So you definitely want to take advantage of finding 2 people. And those are the 3 things. Focus on where you're headed to, not where you're going, what you're going through. Eliminate the negative people, close them out, and definitely find you 2 people. But I want to leave you with this. When you believe that you can work, full-time from the comfort of your home or full-time in the network marketing industry, you can. When you believe you can become a 6, 7, 8-figure earner in this industry, you will. When you believe you can become a multi-millionaire, you will. When you believe you can impact the world with change for the better, you will. When you believe you are the leader that people are looking for and want to work with, you are. So it's all about you believing. You have to believe it. And here's the thing. So many people spend so much time focusing on skills and this and that, and not to, underestimate those. All those are needed, but more than anything, when you believe, shift your mindset, change your mindset, you're definitely going to change your life, and you're going to shift your income. If you got any value out of this, definitely subscribe to my channel. Share this on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, anywhere, anywhere where anyone can definitely be inspired and definitely create results in their business. Also, there's tons of free tips, training, and resources over on my blog at john-thomas.net. And skills equal profit. The 7 skills you must master to become profitable in your business in the next 30 days or less. Click the link below, theblueprinttoprofit.com. And until the next video, take massive action. And I'll see you at the top, because the top is the only way to go.